Struggling to fall asleep? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your sleep problems probably don't start at night. They start much earlier, with things you do every single day. Most of us, we blame stress, or caffeine, or just bad luck. But the science of sleep tells a different story. Your sleep quality is being shaped hours before your head ever touches the pillow. Today, we're going to walk through the quiet daily habits that might be sabotaging you. We'll talk about why they have the effect they do, and I'll give you one clear, actionable change you can make, starting tonight. First, treating sleep as a nighttime problem. Most of us think sleep begins when we lie down. Biologically, that's wrong. Your brain runs on a 24-hour internal clock. It decides when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy. And this clock, it responds to signals, light, movement, meals, routine. So if your day is chaotic, your night will be too. Long sitting hours at a desk, irregular meals, a schedule that changes daily. By the time you get to bed, your brain doesn't recognize it as sleep time. That's why you can feel exhausted, but also wide awake. Habit 2. Too much sitting, too little daylight. Let's be honest. Modern life keeps us indoors. Commutes, desk jobs, screens. But morning daylight is one of the strongest signals your brain gets for setting your sleep timing. Without enough natural light early in the day, that sleepy signal at night gets delayed. The result? You fall asleep later, your sleep is lighter, more broken. Even just 10 to 20 minutes of outdoor light in the morning can help reset that internal clock. It's a simple, free signal to your brain that the day has begun. Habit 3. Evening screen time that feels harmless. Scrolling to relax? Your brain disagrees. Yes, the blue light from screens can interfere, but the bigger issue is the content. Messages, emails, the news, social comparisons. It all quietly activates your mind and your stress response. So your body is tired, but your brain is stuck on alert. This is exactly why "I'm so tired but I can't sleep" is such a common feeling. Habit 4. The late day push. Late workouts and late meals. Now, exercise is fantastic, but timing matters. A really intense workout late at night can raise your core temperature and stimulate your system, telling your brain to stay awake, not wind down. And a late, heavy meal? It keeps your digestion working hard right when your body should be powering down. You might not feel it right away. You'll feel it as restless sleep or waking up too early. Habit 5. The weekend lie. Sleeping in on Saturday feels like recovery, right? Pause. It's not. It's social jet lag. Shifting your schedule by hours confuses your internal clock. That Sunday night insomnia often starts on Saturday morning. Your brain doesn't need perfection. It needs consistency. So what do you do with all this? If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Create a consistent wind-down routine. Give yourself about 30 minutes at roughly the same time every night. No scrolling, no work emails, no multitasking. This isn't about being perfect. It's about training your brain to recognize that sleep is a predictable, safe event, not a nightly struggle. This single habit has some of the strongest backing for helping people fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. A few quick things you can layer in. Dim your lights about an hour before bed. Aim for that morning daylight before noon. And try to keep your weekend wake-up time within an hour of your weekday time. Small changes, real impact. Now, I'm curious, which one of these habits felt most like you? Was it the lack of daylight, the late scrolling, the inconsistent schedule? Tell me one sleep habit you're ready to change down in the comments. I read them. A quick, important note. I share information to help you learn. This is not medical advice. If you have persistent sleep problems, please talk to a qualified healthcare professional. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel. We break down everyday health topics just like this. For more daily tips, you can find us on TikTok at Valour Health. Thanks for your time. Here's to better rest starting tonight.